All right, so I'm going to show you a little trick for you to be able to do on your end. So what I have here is a design that I'm putting together for someone. So a lot of times people send over the logo and the logo will not be transparent. And you'll be like, oh, shoot, like I need a transparent logo. And see, like, how do I do that? How do I make it where there's no white? A lot of times, what you can do, and this is my most favorite, easiest tool to do, is go into Canva. You're going to hit the create button. You're going to upload file. You're going to click whatever file you want. You're going to edit that image and you're going to hit background or BG remover. And there you go. It goes and it removes the background for you. So then what you're going to do is you download that, and I already placed it inside of Photoshop for you to see, like, okay, this is what I'm designing versus, before we had the white background. So that is how you can easily go and remove something if you're not fluent in Adobe, Photoshop, Illustrator, whatever it may be. That's an easy way for you to be able to have a transparent logo. So I hope this video really helped you. Thank you.